Okay, let's quickly get this into full screen. Okay. So I did my project on the Cromwell tank. Who made it? There was 4,016 tanks made. One cost 10,000 euros. It was named after Oliver Cromwell, who was an English Civil War leader. The designer was Leyland, and then the Birmingham Railway, Carriage and Wagon Company from 1942. The manufacturer was Nuffield Mechanization and Aero. What was it used for? The Cromwell tank was used for the later stages of World War II. It had 3 to 4 inches worth of metal armor. The tank's main gun was a Ordnance QF 75mm with 64 rounds. The secondary gun was a Besa machine gun with 4,950 rounds, almost 5,000. Although these guns did not class the German firepower with the speed of the tank, it was it was a pretty good tank for the British to use. It was used in the Battle of Normandy. The British forces had about 4,000 of them altogether. The British used these tanks because it was a faster and semi-tanky. It was a faster tank, and it was also semi-tanky with the amount of armor it had. It was mainly used by the British, but it was also used by the Israeli, Greek, and Portuguese armies. It was also used in the Arab-Israeli War and Korean War. It was used for the Battle of Normandy, June 1944. It was used kind of all around World War II, but mainly in the later stages of World War II. They launched the tank on August 5th, 1944, but they started production in 1942. And the tank was used from 1944 to 1955, so about 11 years. The tank was used for speed and power. The tank went 38 miles an hour, which was really fast back then for a tank that weighed 27 tons. So it was one of the fastest tanks out in World War II. This tank was later replaced by the Crusader tank after World War II. Sources. Thank you.